Introducing the new Intesis 700 series water gateway for the integration of heat pumps that natively support Modbus. This new solution is built on 3 solid pillars: maximum versatility. On the control system side, a single gateway can be configured for BACnet IP, BACnet MSTP, or KNX-TP. On the heat pump side, it supports up to 5 heat pumps connected via Modbus TCP and 5 via Modbus RTU, even mixing different brands and models in the same project. Plug-in approach? The gateway uses preset configuration templates tailored to specific heat pump brands and models. This eliminates complex setup processes and reduces commissioning errors. Additional support. The configuration templates include specific signals for accessories connected to the heat pump, such as pool heating and photovoltaic integration. In addition, up to 5 customizable registers can be added to the project.
Intesis. Secured by design. Trusted by default. Discover more at hms-networks.com/Intesis.